Today I want to do gel electrophoresis. So I need distilled water, kitchen sieve, measuring cup, agar powder, container, berry, clip paper, electrophoresis wire, battery 9 volt, pipette, baking powder, the color of yellow, the color of red, the color of green, the color of blue, and also cornmeal. Now I want to measure the distilled water 100 ml. And then I want to measure the baking powder 0.2 gram. And then I pour the baking powder that I measuring before that into the distilled water, and then I just stir by my hand, and then I want to measure the 1 gram of agar powder. And then 1 gram I want to transfer it into the distilled water. And stir it again before I heat it over the kitchen. And now I want to heat it over the kitchen, but do not boiling water. And then I steam it until it clear. And after that, I put it into the container. And let it cool until 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And then I put the berry into the container and wait for 1 until 2 hours. The berry that I use is made from ice cream stick ice cream. Before I want to continue the second step, I want to tell about the theory of gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis is a technique used to separate DNA fragments according to their size Then the sample are loaded into valves at one end of a gel and electric current is applied to pull them through the gel. Then egg fragments are negatively charged, so they are moved toward the positive electrode. Now we move to second step. Firstly, I want to remove the berry, and after that I want to cut the bottom and upper gel by using the knife. And then I want to remove the gel that I was cut with using the spoon. Now I want to measure the 100 ml of distilled water. And then I want to measure 0.2 gram of baking soda. And after that, I want to transfer the baking soda that I'm measuring to distilled water. And now I want to stir it until it is dissolved, until it is destroyed, dissolved. After it is dissolved, I want to transfer it into the gel. And then I put the clip paper upper gel and bottom of gel. And the step 3, I want to put the 3 ml of distilled water, and after that I want to put 2 drops of color red for 1 length. After that I use a pipette to take the red color of 1 length into the gel. I want to take 3 ml again for length 2 and put 0.2 ml of cornmeal and put 2 drops of color yellow. After it done, I transfer it into the gel, and then I put the 3 ml again of distilled water, put the cornmeal 0.2 ml, and the length 3 I put the blue colors for 2 drops. And transfer it into the gel. Now I want to put 3 ml of distilled water for length 4 and put the cornmeal 0.2 ml. And for length 4, I put the 2 drops of color of green. And transfer it into the jar. Put the 3 ml of distilled water again for the lastly. Now I put the cornmeal 0.2 ml. Now I put 1 drop of color red color, and 1 drop of color blue. And then transfer the length 4 into the jar. And now I take the battery 9 volt and electric wire to plug the battery and the lead paper to conduct the electrophoresis. You see the bubble on the lead paper? The baking soda is used to easiest moving and also to conduct the electric. Can you see the result? A few minutes, the length 1 is here and the length 2 is here and the length 3 is here and the length 4 is here, and then the length 5 is here.